Welcome to Redline Review.
Built on the strong Prevost chassis, the 2026 Millennium Luxury Coach epitomizes luxury motorhome travel. For discerning travelers, this coach combines cutting-edge technology, unique craftsmanship, and unrivaled luxury. Engineering and performance. The Millennium Coach rides on the durable Prevost chassis. This foundation enables a solid riding on rough terrain. Intelligent alternator and air compressor management by Prevost Prime optimizes fuel economy, cutting emissions and expenses. The coach's power system powers equipment with four 150-amp Bosch alternators. This charges house and chassis batteries for long off-grid travels. Smart home integration. Millennium's Lutron HomeWorks-Savant combination showcases its tech expertise. These technologies let in-coach iPads or smartphones intuitively handle lighting, climate, entertainment, and security. This link enables tourists control their environment in the car or kilometers away. The coach's Wi-Fi hotspot and cellular amplifier enable ongoing communication for leisure and remote diagnostics. Comfortable interior design. The 2026 Millennium Coach's interior is opulent and customizable. Individually designed triple or quad slide floors are available. Main interior features: radiant floor heating. Electric coils under wood or granite floors provide continuous warmth in cold climates. Advanced climate control. 4 15,000 British thermal unit roof-mounted heat pumps and 65,600 British thermal unit aqua hot system control coach temperature to perfection. Lightweight, durable granite and real wood veneers add elegance without losing performance. Keep and use understanding long-term travelers' needs, the coach offers. Many travel necessities can fit in the 271 cubic feet of carpeted, LED-lit external storage bays. Efficiency in water systems. Self-sufficiency is maintained via 165-gallon stainless steel, 80-gallon black, and 90-gallon gray water tanks. Combining a pressure washer and dionyzer simplifies maintenance. Safe and reliable. The Millennium Coach's electronic stability program analyzes and adjusts vehicle dynamics to prevent rollovers and maintain control during unexpected movements. Adaptive cruise control adjusts speed and braking for safe following distances. For preventive maintenance and safety, Savant system signals tank levels, interior temperatures, and system diagnostics in real time. Owning experienced Millennium prioritizes client satisfaction with 24/7 assistance and non-proprietary technologies, enabling owners to access several providers without limits, unlike competitors. Personalized service. Owners are involved throughout to ensure their coach matches their lifestyle. One last thought. Luxury, innovation, and reliability define the 2026 Millennium Luxury Coach Motorhome. Modern technology, unique design, and sturdy engineering provide an unsurpassed travel experience. For ultimate mobile luxury, the Millennium Coach delivers comfort, safety, and value.